I'm super sweaty.
Go.
Oh, hopefully that was in the video. Oh, looky there. I believe. Oh, oh. What an unboxing. Satisfying. There she belongs. Check that out. My very own computer. Now, I'm not. Do I pull that? Do I pull this? Oh. Ah. Look at that.
It's pretty sleek.
Yeah, it's pretty epic. I believe, yes, a Monroe edition. There she is. And then I believe that's it. With the charger and whatnot. Thanks.